there are 6.7 million people blogging away. So how do you stand out? Hi guys, this is Kavita Vijay. Let's get started with this week's episode. While I'm a big fan of Google research, this alone may not be enough to create content that can create an impact. So what can you do? You need to reach out to your customers directly. Find out what kind of pain points you solve for them that made them keep coming back to you for more and made them your repeat customers. Are you trying to openly sell in your writing? Chances are, if you are, your customers know and they're trying to run the other way. Content cannot be about selling. Rather, it has to be about creating the relationship with the customer and brand awareness. Let's say I'm a new potential customer. So at this point, you're not going to try to sell me your products. First, you introduce me to your brand. Next, you educate me on the products and services you're offering. Once you get me through that stage, then maybe you can help me sign up for a free demo. So this is how you move your customers step by step and get them to be your loyal customers. Don't do the same thing your competitors are doing. You need to stand out. You cannot copy whatever efforts they're putting out. You need to be better than them. Who doesn't like a happy customer telling a story about why they fell in love with your brand? People don't believe in brands talking about themselves. They believe when people they trust talk about your brand and tell them how great you are. Try to use the kind of language that your customers are comfortable with. The purpose of your content is not for it to sound fancy, but it has to be relatable and understandable. Gone are the days when you could create blog posts on some amazing topics and it would pick up popularity and boom, it would go viral. You need to add your content marketing efforts with really solid content creation efforts to get qualified leads. And the last one is my personal favorite. Add in a bit of humor to help lighten up the tone. You want to keep the readers with you till the end of the article. Well, that's a wrap for this week's episode. If you found my video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next episode. Take care and bye-bye.